Struggling with a small sensor action cam that completely turns your epic sunset footage into a grainy, pixelated mess, or watching your highlights wash out into a harsh white blur the second you move from shade into bright sunlight is an absolute nightmare that instantly ruins your high production value edits. Traditional action cameras trap you with microscopic, noisy sensors that choke in low light, forcing you to compromise on resolution and suffer from muddy details whenever the action gets fast or the environment gets dark. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro compact cinema action camera completely rescues you from those small sensor limitations, functioning as a heavy-duty, pocket-sized cinematography workstation engineered to bring true Hollywood-grade imagery and extreme ruggedness directly into the palm of your hand. Don't let its ultra-compact, travel-ready design fool you. This flagship powerhouse marks a massive generational leap by introducing a giant, DSLR-rivaling 1-inch 50MP image sensor driven by the ultra-efficient next-gen GP3 processor. Operating with up to an astonishing 14 stops of dynamic range and massive 3.2M fused pixels in quad Bayer mode, it captures jaw-dropping, cinema-standard 8K video at 60 frames per second and ultra-smooth 4K at 240 frames per second with a blistering 240 megabits per second bitrate. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its versatility in framing and time-bending control, supporting 8K open gate, 4:3, capture for flexible vertical or horizontal cropping, while boasting a mind-blowing 32x burst slow-motion mode that fires off 1080p footage at 960 frames per second to freeze fast-moving action with flawless detail. Packed with a category-widest 159 degrees native fixed lens, an updated OLED rear display that is 14% larger, and a removable lens hood to kill distracting glare, it delivers rich color accuracy using a professional 10-bit GP log 2 color profile with full timecode synchronization for multi-camera shoots. Engineered to thrive on extreme, uncompromised performance without thermal throttling, the Mission 1 Pro delivers up to 1.5 hours of continuous 8K recording and over 3 hours of 4K capture on a single charge of its new, fast-charging Enduro 2 battery. To back up its cinematic visuals, it anchors professional-grade audio with a 4-microphone beamforming array capable of recording 32-bit float audio, ensuring your soundtrack never clips or distorts even in the loudest environments. Complete with Emmy-winning HyperSmooth stabilization with a full 360-degree horizon lock, a native waterproof rating down to 66 feet, 20 meters, right out of the box without a clumsy external case, and deep compatibility with a specialized media mod ecosystem. It is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for professional filmmakers, extreme athletes, and content creators who demand uncompromised, broadcast-ready perfection on any shoot. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are deploying this 1-inch cinema beast for underwater diving or shooting cinematic 8K travel vlogs. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more pro-grade filmmaking gear, compact cameras, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.